and show you how to make liquid fabric softener with some homemade ingredients. You want to use 3 cups of water. You want to get your favorite hair conditioner and use 1 cup of it. It could be any kind of conditioner for your hair, doesn't matter. Make sure you get one that smells really good. And the third ingredient is distilled white vinegar. You want to stir it up, water and conditioner. It's going to look like this. It's kind of thin. The water has to be hot.
You start with the conditioners completely.
Yeah, they get the idea. And then we're going to use 2 cups of this instead of 1.5, because this is what softens your clothes. And the smell goes away after it dries. And we're going to come back after we make this, after we use it, and let you know how our clothes really smell, because this is our first time doing this. So I will add this video to another part where I'm sniffing some clothes. Now you could use 1.5 cups of that vinegar, but since we like our clothes really soft, and I like to shock people with static electricity, we're going to go ahead and use 2. So we're going to bottle that just like we did this. We're going to wash some clothes. We're going to use this. We have a high efficiency washing machine, and then once we do that, we'll let you know how it turns out.
You also need to add that in the high efficiency washers, like the front loaders. You need to add a little extra water when you put it in the...
Okay, so this is kind of concentrated, so add a little bit of water in there with it when you use it. We'll figure it out as we go.
When you put it in a front loader.
When you put it in a front loader.
If it's a top loader, it's fine.
Okay. We'll see what's up. I'll let you know in the next part of this video. One more thing. After adding this, even though you got that vinegar in there, and vinegar normally stinks, when you add it all together like this, you can't even make out the vinegar. It actually smells really good. All you smell is the hair conditioner. I'm making this part of the ending of 2 different videos. We showed you how to make laundry detergent in one, and then the other we made fabric softener. So make sure you check them both out. We used both the laundry detergent and the homemade fabric softener on all these clothes. And like I said, it works. We're never buying Tide again.